Hello guys, today I'm in Dumfries. I'm just gonna show you how beautiful Dumfries is today. So stay tuned and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you like the place. If you know the place, just comment. So yeah guys, I'm just gonna show you how the town looks. It's very beautiful, I can say. So I'm in Dumfries today in Scotland guys, so let's go. Alright. So down here we have a nice beautiful river that is going down there this way. This is beautiful guys. So that's a national cycle route. This is Scotland guys, as you can see. Beautiful. This is the beautiful river here flowing down this way. So look how it is guys. It's beautiful. So actually this place is this is the river life. The river myth in Dumfries supports a wealthy of wildlife. If you look closely, you may see some of these plants and animals. The birds, you can see birds here. You can see stoneflies and water beetles on the gravel. Heron, mute swat, salmon, otter. All these animals, you can see them here, guys. So this is beautiful. River life. This is the history here. So let's go guys. The weather is promising to change anytime soon, but it's okay. It's okay guys. Look how beautiful. Look how nice is this side here. It's just on the other side of the river. Beautiful. Here they have a parking. You can come here, you get a parking here, you leave your car here, no stress. Beautiful guys, look at this. So this side we have the bank, bar, and tapas. There's a beautiful, I think it's a pub or something. The bank, bar, and tapas. It's a bar. Beautiful guys. Look at this. Hiya. Hello. People greeting me already. She's beautiful. So we go this way, further down. Beautiful sunny day guys, as you can see. This is perfect. But also the rain is mounting, it's coming. So I just want to take this opportunity and show you the beautiful Dumfries. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it well, but I guess that's the best way they call it. Beautiful. Let me show you a bit of the, river here, how it looks. This is beautiful, guys. On the other side, there's nice buildings there on top. And this side is a town center. Beautiful. So in this river life, you can also find the kingfishers, Saint Martin. See? So it's part of the birds as well you can find here, which is good, guys. They have a nice bridge there on top. Beautiful. They have a bus stop here where people normally get their buses here. So here it says town center, white sands, promenade. Okay, toilets, bridge up there. All right. So that's it, guys. So the town continues further up, as you can see, guys. It's beautiful. All right. See here what you got here. Just wanna cross to the other side. Guys, so let's explore. We're not going with the bus. So here the bridge goes up here. Let's see how it looks. So this is the town, guys, from the bridge, as you can see. Beautiful. I see a castle there. Beautiful, guys. Look at this. So now this is the other side of the town. Dumfries, guys, in Scotland. We have another bridge that side again, as you can see. That's another bridge there that can cross to the other side. So beautiful. Look at this. A lot of houses there. On the opposite side is the town center. Look how nice it is and brilliant, guys. This is beautiful. So yeah, let's continue to explore the town. We're going back, guys. watching the bridge. Beautiful stuff. Down, as you can see, guys. What do you think about this town? What do you think about the town? What do you think about the town? It's very nice. Okay, that's nice. Let's go. So here we have another bridge, which takes us to the other side of the town as well. As you can see, it's a bit busy this side. So yeah, guys, look at this. All the way down, up. Yeah, beautiful. This is nice, guys. The weather is starting to change as well. So we're actually on the other side of the town. See, guys, the town is a bit big. I want to go to the other side and show you the old Maxwell town. So this is the old Maxwell town, this one, guys. So this part of the town, I'll show you the other day. So for now, let's concentrate with Dumfries town. So we're going back, guys, for now. Let's go back. Here, guys, the town is a bit busy. Galloway Regional Council. All right, so this bridge was built in 1985. As you can see, guys, this is his rich history here. Beautiful. So guys, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to cut this video into two. So for now, I'm going to drop, and watch out for the party 2 is coming, guys. So like for more and share. Thank you. Bye for now, guys.